Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Close Brothers. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.closeBrothers.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Close Brothers opens up on your screen, scroll down to the very bottom of your screen and click on the sign up option. After you click on the sign up option, you'll be guided to another page. To log into your account, you'll have to scroll down and find this tab. In this tab, you'll have to fill in your email address here, your password here, and then click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged into your Close Brothers account. I hope this video helps you to log into the Close Brothers account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.